Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a very different types of painting, and it's going to be the watercolor. So the combination of marker and the watercolor. Let's put the marker and drawing the outline of the scenery. So you can draw a straight line along the canvas, little bit ups and downs, and you can see the ups and downs of the trees here. Just the you can see the graphs for the heartbeat in the movies, usually in the Hollywood movies or the action scenes. So the you can put those types of graphs here, and the mountains just a little bit higher. Mhm. And also higher here, another one here on the side, and you can put the shades on one sides. Okay, and you can keep the shades on the same orientations. So if you put the shades on the left side, just put all the shades in the left side. There's the idea. Some taller trees you can put here. Those are the mountain taller trees, and just the doing the graphics on the sides. Okay, drawing that one. There's the primary drawing I'm doing for the watercolor. Before we put the color, just putting the outlines here. Okay, you can see the trees. And the reflections on the water, just put it here like this. Okay, so reflections for the other one, and for those graphics you can see little bit reflections for all the trees here. And this is going to be the water. There may be some birds in the sky putting in V shape, alphabet V. So that defines the flying birds in the sky, and a sun here. Later we're going to put the color, but now just a shade. Okay, and you can put a boat here. The reflections of the boat is on the ground, and a boatman and device. Okay, so that's it. It's a very simple scenery, and when we're going to paint it, we're just going to use the basic colors and paint it. Now let's take the brush and put the color for the sky. Usually the very soft color for the sky we're just putting. All over the canvas. There's the beauty of the watercolor. Just the water level makes the variations of the clouds formations and other appearances of the skies naturally, so you don't have to think about it. So very nice skies up here. Okay, then you can also take a little bit blue color and mix it with water and put the lake here in the drawing. You can see the lake here is very nice. Okay, so the variations of blue you can see all over the canvas. Okay, so for the greeneries here, you can take the green color and put the green here along these green outlines. I'm putting that right now. Take more water and putting the colors right here on the top. Sometimes we may increase density if we put the color for 2 times. Okay, so some are on the top and some colors you can see just coming to the bottom. Okay, few in the reflections within the water, and you can draw a few on the top of those pointy trees. Let's put the more green for those pointy trees here. Okay, in this portion just putting little bit more water just to provide the enough solutions for making the color. All right, now for the sun we need the red color. Just putting the red color for the sun here. Okay, so it's a solid red color, and little bit to the mountains just showing here to the border lines. Adding with the water. Okay, so the the solid hard color is becoming soft when you add the water here. So that's defining the shades on the one side. And just putting the water on the other side and just make the connection with the previous one. The color will automatically come to the point. As you can see the progressions of the color. Okay, taking the little bit red from here and putting in the middle of the mountains. And in the bottom. For the reflections of the mountains and the water, just putting some little bit red on the ground, but mostly we add the water just to show very light shade in this case. Okay, all right, so that's the drawing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.